You are going to practice booking a flight using nothing but the power of your mind. Concentrate on the cursor. Yes, concentrate. Good, good. Move it to the right. Concentrate. You're doing it. Now to the left. Concentrate. Use your mind. Move it in a clockwise fashion. No, the other clockwise. Yes. Yes, you are doing it. You have complete mind control. Let's move to the from box. Concentrate on the cursor. Move it up towards the from box. Yes. Almost. We're almost there. And select. You've done it. Now search for a city. Any city that is the capital of the state of, let's say, California. No, I need you to concentrate. Use your mind. Use your mind. That we will work with that. Just select Los Angeles. Select, and let's move to the to box. From the from to the to. Concentrate on the cursor and move it exactly. And select. And again, let's do the capital of California. Yes. Concentrate. Yeah. Oh no, that is incorrect. I implore you to use your mind. Use your mind and... Yes. Yes, you are doing it. Perfect. Concentrate and select. Now let's concentrate and go down. Use your mind to search. It's happening. You've done it. You've successfully searched for a flight by only using the power of your mind. Use your mind to celebrate. Move the cursor rapidly. Congratulations.